In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates for invoices and estimates for automation and consistency in Go High Level. Having solid templates in place means you don't have to rebuild invoices and estimates from scratch every time. It also keeps your branding, pricing structure, and terms consistent, which is especially important if you're automating your billing or sending a lot of quotes. So, let's walk through the process step by step. First, log into your Go High Level account and head to the Payments section. You'll usually find this in the main navigation menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on Payments. This is where Go High Level keeps everything related to your billing, including invoices, estimates, products, and of course, templates. Once you're in Payments, look for the option labeled Invoices and Estimates and click on it. This is the dedicated area where you can view existing invoices, create new ones, and manage estimates. It's also where we'll be building out the templates that you can reuse later. Inside the Invoices and Estimates area, you'll see a tab or menu item called Templates. Click on Templates. This section is specifically designed for creating and managing reusable invoice and estimate layouts, which is perfect if you want your documents to look the same every time and be ready to plug into workflows or automations. Now, to create a brand new template, look for a button that says New Template and click it. This will open a blank template editor. Think of this as your master design. Once you set it up properly, you can use it over and over again for different clients, without having to recreate your structure each time. In the editor, start filling in the details for your template. Give your template a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. For example, standard monthly invoice or website project estimate. Add your company information, such as your business name, address, and any tax or registration details you need to display. Customize the layout with your logo and brand colors so everything looks professional and on brand. Then set up your typical line items, tax settings, payment terms, and any notes or disclaimers you want included on every invoice or estimate, like due dates or late fee policies. The more you standardize here, the faster your future billing will be. When you're happy with how everything looks and all the fields are set up correctly, scroll down and click Save. This locks in the template so it's ready to be reused. From now